The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2024 GMC Sierra Denali. We've just installed the RetraxPRO XR bed cover. So there's a retractable cover, the Pro meaning that is the aluminum slatted model, which is the more heavy-duty, robust edition, and the XR signifying that it has the accessory rails that run on the sides. That allows you to attach different types of accessories and lines to it. Cover can be opened and stopped anywhere along the length of the rail. When fully open, you'll notice that the cover does retract into a canister. While the canister does take up some of the bed, there is room underneath for cargo. Fitment note, you will have to enlarge some of the drain holes to accommodate the drain tubes from the canister, but that's pretty easy to do. We typically will use a step-down bit to get that job done. So this cover is a great option. It's really strong, and when installed correctly, does a great job at keeping the elements out. And we, of course, love the fact that you can add different racks and accessories to it down the road. So other than the holes, no drilling is required. It simply clamps on, so if you ever do want to remove it, it's pretty easy to do. But this has been a quick walk around for this system. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this cover with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.